Creating a new still title. So first of all, you want to make sure you're in Essential Graphics workspace, right? You're going to go up in the window workspaces, choose Essential Graphics. Next, you're going to make sure you scrub your playhead to where you want the title or text to be. And I'm going to start at the very beginning. Then I'm going to come over here and I can browse different presets if I like, but I am just going to go up into my program monitor and I'm going to just drag a box. Now, up here in my text, I can actually just key in some text, and I'll type in something like Chicago. Alright, and you can see it's a little big in my font size. So I'll come down here, and I have a slider bar here, but I'm just going to key in a value, something like 80. And I'm going to come in and say 70. Alright. Alright, one more time. I'm going to go and highlight it, hit 80, and you'll see that my font size has changed. Also, I can change my particular style of font. So I can come in here and say, oh, I want Broadway. Alright, and so I can pick any kind of font I want and the size I want. Now, I can also do my alignment. So I can say I want it vertically centered. Boom. I could have it align with the top. I could have it align in the middle, etc., or align with the bottom. I'll align with the middle here. And so I can choose my different alignments, and I want to align it left. And so once I'm done, boom, you'll notice it created my font over here. Alright, so if I come in and highlight on it, I can change this however I want, make some changes to it. So in this particular case, I might come over here and change my font a little bit. Alright, now to get rid of it, I'm just going to come over here and say clear, and I got rid of it. Alright, so I can come back in here and just pick here, come down here, pick the style font I want, probably your first step, and then key in what you want. Alright, and then you can come along and you can make any changes you like at this point. I first would like to go to my font size. Right, I can do a slider where I can key it in. Right, so I can just type it in, say like 85, and then I can just click out of it and it's done. So I can just come in here at any time now and pick on that text. So if I wanted to put some other piece of text in, let's say I come in here and I pick this, and you can see I have actually 3 pieces of text here, but one by accident. I can key in here saying boat tour. Alright, and you can see here now that there's my other piece of text. I can get rid of this one, so I'll clear that one. So this is my text right down here, my titles, and so I've created a still title using my Essential Graphics panel.